friends, new video of my channel Life of Crafts. You usually know in this channel I will show you how to make a paper crafts and origami things. Today I have gone with how to make a paper crane. A crane like it flap its wings like this. One of my friend, my subscriber, told that can you make a paper crane? So that I am making a paper crane for everyone and especially for him. This paper is good. The people who likes to make the origami things and paper crafts this channel is very useful, so subscribe. Don't forget and press that notification bell. That anytime you can understood that I post a new video. So comment it also down. What should I make for you? Okay. Do you know how to make the crane? So continue the video. Wait and watch. For this, we will need a paper and scales. Yes, it's if you wondering. And we don't need every full paper to make the crane. We only need the square paper. So let's make it first a square. For making square, first fold this to here like this. Make sure the sharp edges. The point is correct. Sharp. The point is sharp. And trace it. And the remaining parts we can cut it off. So cut off the remaining parts using a scale or scissors. That's your choice. Cut it off. You don't need this, so I'm throwing it off. Now unfold. We have a line passing through the corner to the corner. Now fold down to up like this. I am a little cold, so adjust it. Now trace it. Now unfold, rotate, and make this down to this up like this. And picking the scale there. Keep it like this and trace it. Like this, you should do it. Now we have 4 squares like this. For that, then the triangle shape and fold it inside like this. Here also it will be a diamond shape. So keep it inside and fold it and press. Same do like this in this side also. Keep it here and put it inside. Okay, now we have a structure like this. You see? Okay, now next step is to center crease. If your center crease is visible, but still I am making a center crease. I think it's not visible. Okay, now we have center crease. Take this and move to center crease like this. And press it. Grab your net. Now do same to this right to left also. Take this and move it to the center. If I am going so fast, do the notification bell. No notification bell. Go to settings and slow down. If I am so fast. So then rotate. Then here now crease. I will make a crease. Center line is visible for you. Now do the same thing, this to here, this to the center, and trace it. Something happened here, that's no problem. Do same to this also, like this. Okay, now we have structure like this. Now take this piece to lay here like this and trace it. Do same thing to here and do it again in the right side. Now we have a folded this also. Now take open the space and unfold it first. Then it will be easy for you. Unfold and take this crease and put it inside. Here to put it inside. And do same to this also. In the space, put this to the center. Fold this to the center. Okay. Now we have something like this. Now unfold it again and look carefully. Open the blank space like this and take it up. And do you see this space? Put it inside. Put this also inside and fold it backwards. Point, make a sharp edge. Then it will be good. Make a sharp edge like this. Okay. Now fold it. Do same to this. In the press, open it and put this slowly to here. Sharp edge. Here to sharp edge. Okay. Now we have something like this. Do you see? This is something like this. What's something happened, right? Okay. If you have something like this, now and open this here. Open here, and you will have a space like this. Take this upward and make it back like this itself. Do it same here also. Open the space and put this in up and place it. Okay, now we have something like this. Now you have this two here, right? And pull this out like this and keep it like this and trace it. Do the same thing to here also. Take this edge and put it here like this. Same thing you done in that side. Do it same. Now we have almost the shape of a crane. Now take this side and open it and press it inside and fold it like this. Now we have the head of the crane. Now we can make the wings. For wings, fold up to the down like this. And same do this side, up and to the down, and fold it. Now we have the crane. This is a crane, but still wait. To flap it, take the up this side and press it little bit like this, and it will be easy for it to flap. Flap like this. Pull the tail of crane like this. Then it is the origami paper crane is ready. This is origami paper crane. I am sure that you will be success in how to make a origami paper crane. So please subscribe this channel and like if you was able to make this paper flapping origami crane. So please subscribe this channel and like it. So then comment it down what I should make next time. So bye bye. Good night.